How's it guys? Today I have a quick tutorial for you on how to use black bars in order to make your footage look more cinematic. Alright, so I've got my footage over here. I've got a video of a koala bear and we're going to turn him into a cinematic koala bear. There are a few ways to do this. One way is you can create a PNG, which is a transparent background with two black bars, one at the top, one at the bottom, and you just overlay that onto your footage. But if you want to do it in Premiere Pro, I'm going to show you how you can do that. First thing that I do is I create an adjustment layer, and you'll see why a little bit later. So you can either do that by going down here, clicking this new item, click on it and say adjustment layer, choose your size, say okay. Another way that you can add an adjustment layer is by going File, New, Adjustment Layer. Once you have your adjustment layer, you just click on it and drag it over your footage, and just to match the same length of your footage. Now what you want to do is you want to make all of your adjustments on the adjustment layer and not the actual footage. This is why I add adjustment layers, so that we can put black bars on top of that and you can adjust your footage later, which you will see. Once you have your adjustment layer down, you click on the effects and we search for the crop effect. Crop effect, we drag it onto our adjustment layer, and on the left over here we have some crop properties that we can change. So if I click and drag on one of these percentages, you can see that it changes the crop factor. So what we're going to do is we're going to add 10% on top and 10% on bottom. Boom, it's done. But as you can see, the koala is not fitting properly, and this is why I say add the bars onto your adjustment layer, so that you can now click on your footage and adjust it how you want. So I'm just going to position this thing a little bit down, and there's just a lot more cinematic. Sometimes, as you've seen in the intro, you can use this as a cool way to change your video from a normal video and all of a sudden shift into a cinematic sequence. And how you do that, it's pretty easy. You're going to backspace. So you need to animate your adjustment layer. So all you do is you create keyframe for your top, keyframe for your bottom, drag those right to the beginning, and then just move on a little bit and change this to 10% and your bottom one to 10%. And what that's going to do is, if we play it from the beginning and hit play, it animates the black bars coming in. It's just a really cool way to make your videos come alive and change suddenly to a cinematic sequence. And that's pretty much it. That is how I do it. I hope that helped you a lot. If it did, smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys around. Cheers.